Hello users, in today's video we will see how to delete or rename a book. To delete or rename the book, as you can see on your home screen, there will be all the CashBooks displayed on it. So let's say I have to rename this test CashBook. So I'll tap on the three dots which is there on the right corner. I'll click on rename. I'll rename it test 1. Now you can see the name has been changed to test 1. Similarly, if I want to delete it, I'll again tap on these three dots. I'll delete the book, and for the confirmation's sake, it will ask me to retype the book name. And remember this, if you delete the book, it cannot be recovered. We do not keep the backup of the data which is deleted by the user for the safety concerns. So I'll just type the test 1 and it will enable the delete button. If I enter some wrong name, the delete button will not be enabled. So I have to enter the correct name and delete. So now you can see that CashBook has been deleted. And there is one more way you can delete your CashBook. Let's say I want to delete this account. I'll just open it, and now you can see in the top right there is a three dots. Just go there and open book settings, and in the book settings you can see a rename button in the first tab. So I'll just rename it. I'll rename it to test 2, and you can see the name has been changed for this CashBook. And similarly, you can delete it also from here. So to delete this, you can see in the top right there are three dots. Just go there and delete book. And again, before deleting, it will not enable the delete button until and unless I'll not type the name. So test 2 and delete. So you can see that test 2 book has been deleted. So in this way, you can delete and rename your book in this CashBook app. We'll end this video here. Thank you.